Okay, how you doing? Pasta on the menu today. This pasta is tomato with some smoked paprika, which gives it a really beautiful flavour. Vegetables, you can choose what you want. I've got some mushrooms in there, peppers and some sugar snaps. Healthy. Vegan, vegetarian. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got here then. So, fresh mushrooms. I've got some fresh white mushrooms, about 200 grams. 1 can of tomatoes. That's a chopped type, you know. So if you've got a plum one, you can chop it up. Here I've got some bell peppers. I've got red and green. I don't know, maybe 2 cups worth there. Same amount there of a sugar snap or mange tout or something like that. You can use whatever, or even like some French or green beans. 1 onion chopped really small. 1 tablespoon of garlic. And in here I've got a teaspoon each salt, pepper, dried basil, and some smoked paprika. The smoked paprika gives a lovely, lovely flavour. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. That's about it. Let's go. Now, before we get started, just want to point out that we're going to be concentrating on the sauce. The pasta, you can choose. It's up to you which type you use. I'm using a farfalle, a brown or whole wheat farfalle. Okay, so yeah, get your pasta cooked. Right, olive oil in the pan. Let's start off with our onion. Cut nice and small. You can also now add our garlic, that tablespoon of garlic. 3 minutes, keep it moving. There you go, it's coming on beautifully. At this stage we're now going to add in our sugar snaps and our bell peppers. Now of course you could be using different vegetables if you wanted. I'm just going for these 2 plus the mushrooms. Again, about 2 or 3 more minutes on this lively heat. Superb. Next up, let's get in our spices. Take a look there. Salt and pepper. And today I'm using dried basil, but you could be using oregano, rosemary, thyme, up to you. And there's the smoked paprika. Don't confuse smoked paprika with hot paprika, which is basically chili, or sweet paprika. The smoked one, if you can get it, really is amazing. Let's drop in those mushrooms now. 200 grams roughly of a fresh white mushroom. We're going to go now for about 4 minutes. Give it a little stir every now and then. That's about 4 minutes, and as you can see we've got a little bit of moisture from our mushrooms. I mean, it depends on the type of mushrooms you have. Some give off quite a bit, others not so much. We're now going to go in with that 1 can of chopped tomatoes. Now think about other things you can put in here, maybe some olives or something like that might be quite nice. Or like I say, you can change the vegetables, maybe with a bit of fennel or broccoli. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit of water to that. If you wanted, you could put, you know, a splash of red or white wine in. Okay, let's go now on a medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. And look at that, we've got a fantastic sauce ready there. Check that for salt, it's going to be fine for me. I'm now going to put in some fresh parsley, flat leaf parsley in the mix. Fresh basil, something else like that could really work, but a fresh herb is wonderful, isn't it? Then in goes our cooked pasta. Like I say, I'm using this brown or whole wheat pasta. We're going to keep the heat on, throw this pasta around in the sauce, get a nice kind of coverage of the sauce onto the pasta. About 2 to 3 more minutes. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, served and ready to eat. Absolutely fabulous, didn't take long at all. Like I say, play around with the vegetables that you like. I've used that selection. Healthy, vegetarian and vegan, that one. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we will see you soon. Lots of love.